Want to build an inventory audit and discrepancy dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our inventory data into Bricks. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our inventory data, identifying key patterns in discrepancies, audit results, and stock levels. The AI is intelligently creating multiple visualizations to show discrepancy trends by category, location analysis, and quantity comparisons. It's building comprehensive charts and summary tables automatically. Our inventory audit and discrepancy dashboard is complete with 5 dynamic charts and 2 detailed tables showing discrepancy patterns, category breakdowns, and location insights. We can instantly customize the theme to match our brand. Now, let's enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view is perfect for executive presentations, highlighting critical inventory discrepancies and audit findings. You can navigate between all widgets seamlessly, drill down into specific categories, and present data-driven insights to your team. Back to edit mode, we can scroll through our interactive dashboard and make real-time adjustments. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.